Greetings, health enthusiasts. Leo M here from Health Spiffy, your trusty destination for all things wellness. Today, we're delving into a crucial topic that affects many of us, mouth ulcers. But hold on to your hats because we're not just going to talk about treatments. No. We're about to explore the delectable side of prevention through mindful eating. Intrigued? Stick around as we unveil the secrets of how the food on your plate can be your ally in maintaining a healthier mouth and steering clear of those irksome ulcers. But hey, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do it now. Join the Health Spiffy squad for a journey towards better health. Now, let's get our culinary wisdom on. Ready to be amazed? Fact number 1. The foods you devour can actually play a superhero role in preventing mouth ulcers. Let's dive into the specifics, keeping it straightforward. Fact 1. Fruits and veggies are loaded with vitamins and minerals that are like armor for your oral health. Vitamin C, the hero in our story, aids in wound healing, including those bothersome mouth ulcers. Think oranges, strawberries, and kiwi for a boost. And don't forget the leafy greens, spinach and kale, packed with folate and iron, a dynamic duo for healing and strengthening your immune system. Now, Fact 2 shines the spotlight on dairy. Calcium and vitamin D, found in abundance in dairy products, are the dynamic duo for maintaining robust teeth and bones. Yogurt, with its probiotics, is the unsung hero, fostering a balanced environment in your mouth. So, make room for yogurt, milk, and cheese in your daily intake for a tooth-friendly dance. Let's crunch our way into fact number 3, nuts and seeds. Why? Because they're rich in zinc, a mineral with a knack for immune function and wound healing. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds, your snack squad for a dose of zinc and a bonus saliva production boost. Double whammy. On to fact 4, whole grains. Brown rice, quinoa, and oats are the superheroes here, armed with B vitamins, B1, B2, and B3. These vitamins are the allies your mucous membranes need for a robust defense against mouth ulcers. So, make whole grains your dietary sidekick. Fact number 5 brings us to the underwater wonders, seafood. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are the firefighters, quelling inflammation and aiding in preventing those unwelcome mouth ulcers. So, dive into seafood twice a week for a mouthful of omega-3 goodness. We just served up a feast of facts. Now, it's your turn. What are your go-to mouth-friendly foods? Share your culinary wisdom in the comments below, and let's build a community of healthy eaters. But wait, the kitchen adventure doesn't end here. We're about to whip up some mouth-watering recipes that not only taste divine but also champion oral health. Hungry for more? Let's get cooking. First up, our immune-boosting citrus salad. Picture this, a vibrant mix of oranges, grapefruits, and strawberries. Bursting with vitamin C, this salad is not only a treat for your taste buds but also a defense strategy against mouth ulcers. Toss it together, and voila! A citrusy shield for your immune system. Moving on to the Probiotic Paradise Smoothie. Blend yogurt, your favorite berries, and a splash of milk for a delicious and gut-friendly treat. Probiotics in yogurt make this smoothie not just a delight for your taste buds but also a friendly force for your mouth's microbiome. Our crunchy nut mix is up next. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds, a trio of zinc-packed delights. Snack on these for a double whammy of wound-healing goodness and a natural boost in saliva production. Time for the whole grain power bowl. Cook up quinoa or brown rice, toss in your favorite veggies, and sprinkle some chopped nuts on top. This wholesome bowl is not just a B vitamin powerhouse but also a champion for maintaining a happy, healthy mouth. Last on our menu, the omega-3 delight. Grill or bake some fatty fish like salmon, pair it with steamed veggies, and you've got yourself a mouth-watering dish. Omega-3 fatty acids in the fish are the superheroes here, fighting inflammation and contributing to an overall healthy mouth. There you have it, health aficionados. A journey through the palate-pleasing world of foods that not only tantalize your taste buds but also stand guard against those pesky mouth ulcers. Before you go, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Health Spiffy is your one-stop shop for all things health, and we've got loads more wisdom coming your way. Thanks for joining me on this flavorful escapade. Until next time, stay spiffy and stay healthy.